Tretinoin. I know this has been all over. I'm almost finishing this tube, and as you can see, my skin is good. yeah, I love it. But listen, this is a double-edged sword, so I am going to be showing you the proper way to be using tretinoin as a beginner, so that you can have that glowing skin. Okay, so all you need to start your tretinoin journey is just your tretinoin. I am using acne sol in the percentage 0.05. okay, do not use a bigger percentage than 0.05. I am going to be listing here all the benefits of using tretinoin. All right, and the next thing you're going to need is your moisturizer. You need a face moisturizer. Okay, so this is the moisturizer that I am using. I've been using this moisturizer for the longest. Don't I love it? I absolutely adore it. This is a moisturizer from Nemo Naturals. Okay, so before we get into applying, can we get to the don'ts of doing while using tretinoin? Number one, you're only supposed to apply it at night. Please, I beg you, at night only, because if you apply it during the day, darling, you are going to be destroying your skin barrier, and you're going to be in pain, excruciating pain. Where were we? I was rudely interrupted and I do not remember. So we're going to start all over. Only use it at night, and if you're a beginner, use it once. Please just start with once a week. Okay, once is going to be good for you, and then you can go increasing the consistency of how many days you're using. After you do once a week for maybe like 2-3 weeks, you can start doing twice a week. And listen, when it comes to skincare, you have to be really patient about it. Anything else I've forgotten, we are going to be going through it. So as a beginner, so this is the first time you want to use a tretinoin. Okay, another thing, you're not supposed to be using any other actives like the salicylic acid, all those. I'm going to be listing the actives too, because I cannot remember them off it. So we are going to be taking our moisturizer. Okay, first thing you put after cleansing your skin. Okay, you've washed your skin. My skin is clean with nothing. You're going to take a generous amount of your moisturizer, okay, like this, and then you're going to apply it on your face. Okay, this is for my beginners. This is called the sandwich method. Then you apply it all over your face. See, I'm also applying on my eyelids, because you see, around your eyes you usually do have a very thin skin. So if you apply tretinoin directly, you're going to be in pain. So next we're going to be taking the tretinoin. We're using a pea size. Listen, less is more. Okay, less is more, but I've used it for a while, so it's okay. But for beginners' sake, less is more. Please listen to me. Do not make the mistake. That is why you find a lot of people who are using tretinoin, they're peeling, they're doing all that. To avoid all that, okay, we want a seamless transition from and then you're going to apply it, and also avoid hair first. Okay, so we're just going to apply it all over the face like that, and then when you're done, okay, the remaining amount, you just do that on your eye area. At this point, you're good to go. You can leave it like that, but we are beginners. Remember, tretinoin is going to dry you out. Okay, it is going to make you a desert. So you need to moisturize, and then you're going to go back into your moisturizer. You're going to be taking another moisturizer, and then you're going to be putting it in your skin. Okay, as simple as that. So this way you're going to be reaping the benefits of tretinoin without damaging your skin barrier. And do get a very good moisturizer. And we are done. As simple as that. So make sure you follow all these tips and see you next when we are getting that glowing skin. You can go an extra step and put in your face mask for the night, and you're going to go. So if you have any other skincare questions, be sure to leave them down below. And yeah, do tell me what else you'd love to see from me. It's been a girl at me to be. I am loving my skin. Oh, listen. And when you start using tretinoin, you're going to be bulging. Girl, you're going to be bulging. You're going to be getting pimples, okay? This is why your skin is, the pimples will be coming. You can see I had a few pimples here. Okay, they're going to come. It is very normal when you're using tretinoin. You're going to have that bulging season, and then when it's done, you're going to get that glowing skin. Okay. Yeah, I actually used tretinoin to heal my acne. That was some time that I had bad, it was not bad acne, but I did have acne. I didn't have such smooth skin like I do have right now. So yeah, see you in the next video as we continue. And yeah, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed, because I did. And we're getting that glowing skin this year. See you in the next one. Bye.